Welcome back. I don't feel, I have not put a camera in my hand in probably a week, which is super rare for me, but I've been dealing with some big projects at the house, so I've been tied up to the house. Today's gonna be much better because we're heading over to Brandon, Harley Davidson. We've got a swap meet, we've got a light and audio car, motorcycle, truck show. It's a giant event. So it's just gonna be a good day to get away from all the BS that I've been dealing with all week. If you're looking for something to do next weekend, so today's Wednesday, you're watching this on a Wednesday, and on Sunday, this coming Sunday, we have Sunday Fun Day. We're going to Solomon's Castle. It's gonna be a great ride. We're gonna have a very good time. They have good food. It's cash only, so be sure to bring cash. I'll put a link below for the event page so you guys can follow along with that. And come through if you're feeling like putting some miles on, instead of just going to Wawa, like I typically do. Another big reason why I'm super excited to be going to Brandon Harley Davidson is because my first big project of the year is being revealed at Brandon Harley today. It's just one of those things when you can help a buddy out and bring his dreams to life for him. I think that's an amazing feeling. So I'm excited to see this thing in person. All right, we've got our bang for the day. Let's get to Brandon. And I don't talk money a whole lot, but did you see the prices on the Bitcoin this morning? Man, $57,000 for a Bitcoin. Might have to retire a little bit early.
I shine hotter than the stars in the night though. Hate the who's, don't give me a title. Flipped in that set, so I don't worry the price though. Got scratched like mine, no, leave it to the tribal. I ain't even trying to try though. I could do this with my eyes closed. If I got nothing on my goals, my girl ain't plastic, she don't even recycle.
Look who it is!
Sassy boy.
What's up?
How you doing, bro?
What's up?
Chilling here with little Ethan on this beautiful sunny motherfucking Florida day.
Here with my papa.
A lot of people here, bro. Got the whole outside. In the very back, there's cars and slingshots and shit.
Hell yeah. All right, so we made it out to Brandon Harley. I'm over here with Carlos for his big reveal. Look at that.
Finally done, baby. It looks good. Very happy.
But it's crazy. The first big project of the year.
Man, I'm like, can't believe it's here.
Look what we got. We got Mike. We got Millie.
What's up? Good?
Time for you to get a new bike, bro. You keep shopping. I know you're shopping.
I'm eye shopping. I shop a lot.
I can see you on this.
Signed up for the audio competition. Please make your way over to the Havoc tent so we can have a discussion. If you have that silver bike right there, you're disqualified.
It's your fault, making us look bad.
We're gonna do a crowd vote. Thumbs up, thumbs down. All right, Dave, I told you to play Michael Jackson. Let's see if you listened.
So the audio competition's going on. Obviously, I can't use any of that actual audio because of copyright, but you get the idea.
They drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She knows this cause she ain't the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Move of emotion, they drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She knows this cause she ain't the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Where the people at, what they really wanna know. Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you do keep close? Who are the people that you shouldn't know? Where the people at, what they really wanna know. Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you do keep close? Who are the people that you shouldn't know?
So not only do we have motorcycle competition, we also have the car and trucks. For some reason they put them in the back. Doesn't make much sense. But we're gonna go check it out.
Let's see what goodness comes out of this one.
I wanna see you sit in one of these things and I wanna see your hair float in the wind.
Yeah, there'd be some mega music for that.
Yeah.
Get out, bro.
I'm coming. It's a Civic, right?
Look at the inside of the door. It's cut out, literally.
Oh, shit.
Like,
Oh,
check
shit,
out the
you're
tail
right.
lights. They did pretty badass on this little.
Wow.
I like the little.
Look at this thing.
Little, is that reservoir for windshield wiper or whatever it is?
Yeah.
Right in the front, underneath by you. See the eye?
It's like their overflow.
They got eyes on both sides. They got the middle fingers, one flicking off and one wild. Yeah. Oh, right? The more you look, the more you find.
The longer you look, the worse it gets.
The tail lights. Hey, you see that side? Yeah. Look at the latch.
Jesus. That's probably like the best one here though, right?
Dude, I think so. That's one of the best ones I've seen. I never seen a Civic rat rod.
No, me neither. And he parked away from everybody so they don't door ding him, so. That's gotta be the best car here. Has to be.
75 a piece? 7,500.
7,500 each. That's crazy. A lot of power.
Let's go ahead and start with the Road King at the back. What do we think? Well, that was easy. All right, now we're gonna move on to the R6. That's a Bay Area rider's bike. I don't think a sport bike can win at a Harley dealership.
It will today.
Next up, we got the Street Glide. And last but not least, the Super Wheelie Machine. And we got the Tri-Glide.
They drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She knows cause she's the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Move of emotion, they drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She knows cause she's the same.
Hey guys, did you see the tower of speakers? They were everywhere. It was insane.
That was legitness. Yeah.
Fucking guys. Hey, all it is speakers, bro. That's all it is. You guys are acting like you saw a fucking alien back there. Inside the truck, real big, it was loud. Yeah, front seat. He looked over, it's a big eye.
Damn, bro. You're halfway there. Why'd you stop? Cheers first. Alright, salute. Race to the bottom.
Cheers.
Oh, you want some?
I don't think Helen wants it. I told you you should have gotten your own.
I know it's cold because Jay didn't come back on his bike. Say goodbye.
Adios, amigos.
Yeah.
So gross. See you, buddy.
Bye, Danny. Drive safe.
See ya.
Take care, brother.
Oh, Randy. Bye.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
it.
You're out.
I'm out. Earlier was nice. For a second, I was like, man, I wish I would have rode. And then now I'm like, nope. Yeah, boy.
In that car, you know. Heated seats.
They drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She knows cause she's the same. She's trying to stop playing